Okay, we're back in quadruped, and again it's just what we can do from here as a basic building block setup. So I'm going to travel back diagonally. So the position goes from sagittal into contralateral initially while I'm balancing, and then finishes as an ipsilateral stability. And then we're going to, from this position, go into high oblique sit with rotation. So in the first instance, I'm going to lift my left knee and travel backwards on the diagonal created by my right knee and left hand. And I've just got to the point where I can balance and lift that left hand, so I'm going to glide back. So I've done some work through that right hip, and that's like a stage one process of this, what we can do from this posture. Now the second one, I'm going to come all the way back. So same thing, lift the left knee, find the line between the right knee and the left hand. I'm gliding back, pelvis is travelling diagonally, and then when the hand comes off to balance, my left knee's looking for the space behind the arch of the foot, hand comes onto the waist, and I want to control the lowering, eccentric control down, and drag myself up, ready for high oblique sit. So from this platform, I'm looking for the movement that's possible at the pelvis, trunk pelvis. Okay, so now I'm aware of the scope of my movement. I then add in a reach with the left hand, which loads my right thigh and allows me to lift up. So I'm in the loaded, rotated position. I'm going to bring this hand across my body to give me a frame of reference for the underside hip and turning chest wall. And then I'm going to continue to turn my chest wall while I lower down to bring that hip diagonally down, and then open chest wall across the body, and then come back in and traction the hip. Rotate again, that definitely feels freer. Okay, rotate, reach, lift. Now this time I'll keep reaching with my left hand, coming towards the ground. At a given point of that rotation, I start to lower, and the hand touches, gives me a frame of reference for where my trunk is in relation to that right hip. And now my right hip has just touched. I feel very open through the whole right side, particularly through the QL, through the obliques and into the lateral hip structures. I just see if there's any more rotation available. And then I bring the hand across my body like I'm drawing a sword out of its sheath and come back onto the waist. Now one final possibility from here is to bring my right hand in line with my right knee and reach, AB duct, and I'm back in quadruped. So that's a nice complex for bringing a lot of sophistication into a training practice.